Hand tools plays an important role in woodwork. So, today we are going to discuss about hand tools. Hello, welcome to my channel, Woodwork Techniques. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Let's start with hand saw. This tool is mainly used for cutting of the wood. Number 2 is chisel. This tool is mainly used for shaping the wood and removing the material. Now move to hand planer. This tool is mainly used for shaping of the wood. Number 4 is hammer. This tool is used for providing the extra force. Number 5 is tri-square. This tool is used for the marking at 90-degree angle. Number 6 is pencil. This is used for marking at the wood. Number 7 is file. This hand tool is used for removing and finishing the material. Number 8 is marking gauge. This tool is used for straight marking on wood. Number 9 is measurement meter. This is used for long measurement. Now move to last tool, that is scale. This is used for small measurement. This is just an overview about hand tools. In the next part, we will discuss more details about these hand tools. Thanks for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.